Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need your keyboard ready and an understanding of your system. On Windows, the quickest path uses keyboard combos. On Mac, you use different keys. Once ready, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager directly. This skips the menu and goes straight to Processes. If that fails, try Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and select Task Manager from the blue screen. This method works when system focus is unstable. Make sure to save documents first, because managing processes can close apps without prompts. Once Task Manager is open, you'll often land on the Processes tab. Use Tab to move UI focus, then arrow keys to highlight a specific process. This lets you inspect CPU, memory, disk, and network usage without touching the mouse. Press Enter to open Details or End Task. Pressing Alt plus D jumps to the Details tab for advanced controls. When you need to go back, use Shift plus Tab. These keys let you safely end unresponsive apps and investigate resource hogs efficiently. To finish, use Alt plus F4 to close Task Manager and return to your desktop. This preserves window focus and avoids accidental clicks. If Task Manager itself is unresponsive, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to access security options and choose Restart or Sign Out. Restarting clears hung drivers and stuck processes. If issues persist, boot to safe mode to remove problematic startup apps. One troubleshooting tip: if shortcuts don't work, check keyboard drivers or try an external keyboard. Hardware faults often block all key combos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.